and welcome back to my I Tried It series, a series where I try out the most talked about method of making money right here on YouTube to see if they actually work or they are a total waste of time. So in today's episode of I Tried It, I tried out this one from this channel called Money Mentor, where she showed us how to make up to $600 per day simply by typing in names. So without further ado, let's get right into the video.
Imagine earning up to $600 each day by just inputting names online. How incredible is that? Here's how it works then. You will receive money for writing one word or one name such as Michael and Bill. This is an excellent opportunity. And here is your potential income. You may receive $20 for typing pages of names, $100 for typing 5 pages, and $400 each day for typing 20 pages. The best aspect is that there is no limit. You may earn as much money as you want by typing as much as you want. For instance, here is the first page of the project. Here is the second page. And here's the third page. And each of these pages contains approximately 300 words. You may be compensated for entering names, so allow us to show you this website where you may make $20 for writing 300-word articles. As we scroll down, a total of 300 names are shown. In other words, you can earn $20 by simply inputting names on this website. You can receive up to 20 pages per day, which implies that you can easily make up to $400 or even $600 per day by typing names on this website. First and foremost, we want you to go to this website, talentdesire.com, where you may work from home and earn money online without spending a dollar. This opportunity.
Okay, so the first thing they asked us to do is to go to this website called talentdesire.com. So I typed in talentdesire.com and I'm just going to select the first one right here. So this is the one I'm selecting. And the first thing I noticed on this website is it's full of ads, which is a red flag for a job website. But notwithstanding, let's continue watching the video.
This opportunity is entirely free, and no money or investment was required to begin. We'll show you the first bonus tip that might help you earn a higher rate by just entering names online. Go to ratatype.com, which is the main page of the website where you can take a free typing test, and click this yellow icon. You will then be directed to a page where you can begin typing on your mobile device or PC. This website will present you a certificate upon completion of the test, which is why we encourage you to take it. You can now obtain this certificate for free, and we will demonstrate how in this video. A typing certificate will enhance your sales and earnings per page, which is why you need one. For example, if you wish to earn $20 each page.
Okay, so let me quickly go to my browser and type in ratatype.com. So I'm just going to type in ratatype.com. The interface seems a bit different from what they have on the video, but it's exact same website. So let's keep watching the video.
Each page typed, you must have the certification. This is the best secret because if you have the certificate proving that you can type, you will be accepted much more quickly and it will have more high-paying connections and unlimited career opportunities. Consequently, you can earn $400 or even $600 per day by simply inputting names.
Okay, so what they're saying practically in this video is that we need a certificate that can prove that we are qualified for this job, and ratatype.com is the exact website where we can get this certificate. So let's keep watching and following the steps.
By taking a typing test and acquiring a certificate on this website, you can demonstrate your typing speed and accuracy, thereby increasing your payout rate rapidly. Let us demonstrate how to complete these tests.
Okay, so I'm just going to go now and sign into ratatype.com to obtain the typing certificate. So what they do on ratatype.com is you are required to take a test to test your typing speed. So this is me taking the typing test to check my typing skill. So basically, after this test, I'm supposed to obtain a certificate. So let's keep watching.
Earn your certificate for free in less than 5 minutes using a real-world example. talentdesire.com. So you may immediately begin receiving typing drop-in jobs like this one. Now, when you scroll down here, you can click this button to print right here. However, you can also accomplish this on your computer or mobile device. Simply click on the Save button to save the image of your certificate or to save it as a PDF file. As you can see, this is the actual certificate we obtained from the RataType website for free. After obtaining the certification, you can apply for this job. Therefore, let us navigate to talentdesire.com. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click this red button that says Apply Now.
Now and follow the steps that they asked us to do in this video to sign up and apply for this job. So I'm just going to click right here where it says select an application form. Scroll down, then click on online application form. So I'm just going to go now and fill in the form. So here it's asking me for my personal information. So I'm just going to go now and fill in the personal information quickly, then I'll be right back. After that, I'm going to go in now to fill in my professional details. So it says fill in your professional details. So I'm going to go right in to fill in my professional details. So once you are done filling in your professional details, you go ahead and agree to the terms and conditions. Then I'll click on I'm not a robot, then click on
and that's
select.
it for today.
And that's it, the video ends. So guys, after following every step that they asked us to do in this video, I waited for about 24 hours, and after 24 hours I didn't get any message from talentdesire.com. I didn't get any email from them. There's no other way I could get across to these people. If you follow the video from the beginning to the end, you will see that the video just ended after submitting your application. Now I don't agree with this video because after visiting talentdesire.com, the first red flag I noticed on this website was it was full of ads, guys. It was full of ads, which is typically sort of sketchy for a job website. Although RataType.com could be genuine, but I couldn't get a certificate from them because I was required to pay $3 to be able to get my typing certificate, as opposed to what they said in the video that obtaining the certificate is free of charge. However, there are other websites that you can find typing jobs online, such as Upwork. If you visit upwork.com, you will see varieties of typing jobs that you could apply for. Also, I shared a video of a legit website where you can apply for a typing job. So if you are interested in that video, you can go ahead and check it out. I will leave the link in the description below. As for this particular side hustle, I made $0 from this particular side hustle. I didn't make any money and I feel so sad, but it is what it is. We'll keep trying out. If you found this video helpful, kindly share it with others so they will know that what they are telling them to do is actually not worth trying out. Do me well by liking this video and clicking on the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so each time I drop an amazing video like what you just watched, YouTube will notify you instantly. Thanks for watching this video and I will see you in my next video. Ciao.